Hey, guys, how you doing? So, probably wondering what's going on here. Well, I'll tell you right now. So here it is. This sink was, it's falling down right here. It was plugged up really bad. See now it's coming out here. Um, I'm not a plumber, so it didn't even occur to me the idea of coming over here and doing this. No, it didn't even occur to me. But today, I'm like, what's going on? Let me check it out at least. I like learning and stuff. Let's see what's going on. Okay, so I go up there, I check it, I analyze. Okay, is this? So I decided, let me go ahead and see how I could fix this. Like, what's in here? You know what I mean? Must be a lot of nasty stuff in here. So I decided to make a video. Anybody wants to learn, see what's going on, see what happens, how it goes. Never try something. If you could help, that's me right there. I'll help. That's good. All right, look at that. Then we just gotta put it together again, huh? What? Look at this, bro. You got a toothpick, you got hairs. What? Found everything in there. Treasure chest, huh? Cool. All right. It's all good. Look at that. Look at that. All fixed. Oh. All right. Nice. Yeah. Get this right here. Get some cleaner here. And some bubble bath. There's one person that's gonna know where this came from. Good times. So that should be good. There you go. Cleaning it up a little bit, All right. Poof. Look at that. This was like this. All right, I'm gonna do this. You already. Okay, no, it's this way, cause see, it falls here and it falls here. So this is how it's gonna be. The other pieces in there, I'll plug it up, and I'll show you the end result. Stay tuned. Hold up, I need my hands. And just like that, I became a plumber. Look at this. No drip. It's running smoother than ever before. I've been here for like almost a year, and it's never gone down so fast like that. So good too. What? Look at that. Incredible. All right, my people. It was a pleasure. Have a great night.